the entire pool. Let's go. Now, because of their excellent eyesight, the US Navy actually uses sea lion for search and rescue missions. Very impressive indeed. Nicely done, Pedro. Very agile, very flexible. Okay, so we've seen how fast he can swim, how high he can jump, and you all realize that Pedro loves his fish, right? So we're gonna test his sense of self-control and intelligence. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna tempt him by placing his favorite fish right in front of him. The challenge is, he's not supposed to take it until he hears a signal from Raven, which is one single clap. We're gonna clap as well and see whether he takes the fish, okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Clap together. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. He didn't move at all, huh? We're gonna try harder. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You want to challenge him more. What are you doing? Wow, this is a whole different level. Don't worry, we got this. It's harder now. This is a perfect example of how much he really loves his fish. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time. Okay, we're gonna pick one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Raymond, your turn. There you go. Excellent job of self-control. And the reason why he waits at, oh look at that, he knows he's gonna get a whole lot more for a job well done. And that is truly intelligence. Alright, now sea lions have another special feature, and he's gonna show you by using their long and flexible neck. They're able to keep objects balanced on their snout. Alright, Pedro, what else can you do? Are you ready? Look at that! Ready? Roll forward! He's not done yet. Make the cameras ready. Here is a flipper stand! Alright, now we have had a lot of fun and a lot of light moments. Right now we're just going to shift gears a little bit. Now, you see, Pedro is an ambassador for all his marine mammal friends in the wild, and he wants to share with you an important message. His friends in the wild are fighting a losing battle against what? Plastic. So Pedro right here, yeah, he doesn't want to touch that plastic bag. He knows it's not a good thing, but for his friends, he's going to show you what happens. That's right, Pedro. Now you pick up again, very good, okay, come. So he shows you that I don't like to touch plastic bags, but for the sake of my friends in the wild, I want to show you what happens. Yes, I know plastic bags are not a good thing, and that's because sea lions, they're very playful. They might play with these plastic bags, or worse, they mistake them as food. And what happens is that when they try to eat it, they might choke while trying to swallow it. Now the second problem are fishing lines and fishing nets. Left drifting along the ocean, it gets wrapped up around that flipper. What happens? Oh dear. They get a broken flipper. Very painful indeed. What's even worse are fishing nets which get wrapped around their necks. Alright, Pedro, what happens with the fishing net around your neck? They drown and die. Okay, very good. You can get up already. Hello. Pedro. Over already. Pedro, we can get up. What? Oh, superstar needs. There you go. He enjoys his round of applause. Alright, now we have presented you with the problems. Now that I'll share with you the solution. So to reduce the amount of plastic we use, why don't we bring our own reusable bags with Melinda and Felix got? That's right, that's Pedro on the bag. And he says, don't take plastic bags from our grocery shops. Bring your own reusable bags, okay? Now Singapore gets very hot. Now that it's hazy, we should all drink a lot of water. So instead of going out to buy numerous bottles of mineral water, why don't you bring your own water bottle? Just like that. And not then, okay?